Guys, it's me just wiggling. Hi, kitty. Hello. And today, we're showing you something that just appeared in our yard a few hours ago. I mean, 1 hour ago. I really don't know what they are, so comment in the description if you know what it is, or think what it is. I think it's a peacock. I'm really not sure. So if you don't know who I am, like, subscribe, and comment. Just this way. Zoom closer. Right there. Get a good look at these birds. They ended up in our yard a minute ago. I mean, an hour ago, and my mom, she gave them some food and they're eating. Majestic birds. So I really think it's a peacock, but I don't know. I'm not sure if it's a quail or a real peacock. I'm just gonna keep footaging this for a while. And there. Okay, so as I was saying, these birds just came in like an hour ago, and also I forgot to do this in the video, so I'm gonna make it up. Just right this way. Hello kitty. Hello. I'm gonna show you a spider. This is the biggest spider that I've seen. I wanted to show you it. So, very distinctive. Not really that big, but when you see it, it's not really that big, close to a full-grown tarantula. But that was the biggest spider I've seen. So, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe again, and stop for now.